I can't get any closer because of the blackberry bushes, so I can't get a view from the front. But this is an extremely rare 1940 GMC ACKWX. GMC called these a prototype. Let's see if my camera, nope, it's not going to adjust. It's too dark in there. I'll have to get that later. A very nice man has had this for a day or two and decided to move it along. And last year I had the opportunity to take it home, but I was just really too sick. And now that I've uncovered everything, I'm kind of kicking myself in the teeth a little bit for not putting out the extra effort and taking it home last year. Bumperettes, pintle hook, front grille, and it's in perfect condition. Headlights, butterfly hood. Look at those louvers. Fuel tank. The man had it cleaned a long time ago, and I just moved it. No rust inside. I tilted it side to side. No rust. Unbelievable. There's our rocker cover. That's first generation Hydrovac. They're pretty good. Only problem is if your engine dies, no more hydraulic power for the brakes. So this is just a prelim video. I have to come back again and turn the rear duals around so it'll fit on my friend's 31-foot trailer. 5-lug wheels, and those hand holes in the wheels, oh my god, I've never seen that style before. I'm just thrilled. So I would like to say thank you, Larry, very much, and I'm going to get this truck into paint as soon as I can. We're going to come back in the spring and get it back to my place. That'll give me time to set up a cover for it and do some more work on my weasel, and then it's going to be all hands on deck for this old gal. So thanks for watching my video. Again, Larry, thank you. I am thrilled, and have a nice day. Okay, I just filled the rear tires with air, lubricated the door hinges. I have the back end of the ACKWX connected to my Silverado, and we're going to ease her on back for the first time in probably 40 years. Probably about 40 years. And the tires are holding there, and 40 years. The owner's saying it's been here in this location for about 40 years. Okay, here we go. right. Well, we got her out. She rolled backwards okay. I couldn't put air in the front tires. I'll show you when we get up there. So, pulling it backwards with my Silverado, the tires sharply turned to the left, and the back end of the truck got dangerously close to the man's canopy, which we can't hurt. So we stopped, and I moved the ass end of the vehicle. You can see here where the tires dragged, and I moved it with a come along and high lift jack, and we had success. And we're going to do a great unveiling. I can get up here and walk around without fear of getting stuck by the blackberry bush. I cleared it out. The bumper will need some work, no problem there. Tow hooks are here. And the bars that support the brush guard, we may be able to find that, I don't know. If not, I'll fab one up. But the engine's been covered for a very long time. So let's see what we can see. How long did you say, Larry? About 40 years?
And I've had it?
Yes.
Probably.
And maybe the engine's been covered that long?
Yes.
Okay.
I had that old engine overhauled by somebody else.
I see.
270.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't look worse for the wear. In fact, it really looks nice. The oil lines are here. There's some cobwebs. The rocker cover is on. Sorry for the minimal light. Let me see if my phone will help illuminate. There we go. That's a little bit better. Oil canister. Water hose bypass. Starter's out, but I can get one of them. Those aren't too hard to find. Plugs are in, which is a premium plus. And the rocker cover, like I said, is on. The horn is there. Someone was even smart enough. Carburetor's gone, but someone, probably Larry, thank you Larry, put a rag in the intake manifold, which saves the engine. Somebody knows what the hell they're doing, thank God. I'll bet with the JME treatment, which is Marvel Mystery Oil and transmission oil down in the cylinders, I'll bet this engine will turn. And if it'll turn, it'll run. Look at that water pump. I'm thrilled. This is unbelievable. Some oil lines will have to be changed, like these here. They're pretty rusty. But the junction block is there too. So this is just unbelievable. Okay. Let's get a view of the front end of this. We have some more light. It's been raining.
Now the sun's coming up.
Yeah. It's good. There are only 3 numbers on the engine. 270.
Yeah,
So-
well, that,
So it is in fact a 270, like Larry said. But we'll figure out what's what later. Still kind of hard to see in this cab. It looks like it was just about to turn over. Let's see if I can get the camera in there. 37,000 miles. $36,999.
there's 2 data plates up there on the visor.
Yeah, there's a shift plate and a permissible road speed plate.
And you would think the
Oh, it's there.
serial number used to be down on the firewall right in front of the starter.
Yep, and it's that data plate is still there, but I can't see, and there's not enough light.
On front of the firewall?
It's there. That's exciting. All right. Well, thanks for watching this compilation video. Have a nice Saturday.